the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I see you got a lot of people already tuning in. I appreciate you. Hopefully you had a good Monday, but what's going on? How we doing this morning? How we doing? Let me see the comments. But we're just going to hang out a little bit here. I was trying to get this thing set up on stream where Austin does like the duck race. I know it's only Tuesday. On Fridays, he does like the giveaway through a duck race. I was trying to think of something else because I know there's a marbles game where you just put the names on. It's like a longer race, but couldn't figure it out. But other than that, good morning. Good morning. Honestly, with yesterday's trades, for anyone that doesn't know, I played golf yesterday after the winning trade on stream. I was gone probably by like noon. So I missed the whole afternoon. I remember I got a notification. I think it was like the Wall Street Journal or something on my phone. And I screenshotted it. So it was like the worst day since 2022. Dow down 900 points. NQ's down this much. I was like, Jesus, what did I miss? The one day I decided to go golfing, the market's just going crazy. Yeah, the NASDAQ dropped 4%, its largest one-day percentage decline since 2022. The Dow fell nearly 900 points. I was like, oh, what did I miss? Is it like good? Is it good opportunities? Not that it's good that we dropped 3%. Good Lord. I was like, did I miss? Is this a bad day to go golfing? Because at least we found our winning short. I really don't care. Because honestly, nice winning trade. I got calls the whole rest of the week. So this is the only day I could have golfed. So I took advantage of it. But how we doing? How we doing? I didn't even look at the charts this morning. Actually, I did. But just real quick, I needed your help most likely. So get ready to help me. Appreciate it. Let's see. We can blow this up. But where are you guys tuning in from? Twitter, YouTube? How'd you guys hear about this stream? We got ASFX TV in about 50 minutes or so. I'll let you guys know what that is in a little bit. So right here, ASFX TV, like I said, will be live at 9:25, right before the open. So we got 47 minutes where it'll be me. It's Tuesday, so me and Austin, and then Zach's going to come on about like 11 o'clock and trade to noon or so. So we got the continuous stream today, so like 3 hours straight of just streaming, looking for trades together. So definitely tune into that. If actually you use code Evan, you'll get 50% off your first month, and you can start a free trial. So you can tune into the rest of the week almost for free. And then if you want to decide to sign up, you can get 50% off that first month, and that'll give you access to the 2 courses as well, the Futures 2.0 and 101, just for on the free trial. Take the free trial, watch them. If you like them, stick around for the streams, trade them with us. I mean, I think everyone and their mother took the shorts yesterday. We can go to the catalog here, the replay. There's Austin short of it. I was in it as well, just not on ES. But I think everyone in the chat took it. I'd say 80%, because some people just don't speak up. But right there would pay for your subscription for like months if you put on decent size or regular size. I go to my chart. I gotta zoom. All right. I gotta share my chart here. I don't know what I did, but my chart. Whoops. My chart is just not cooperating. Does anyone else's TradingView chart change today? Mine has like blue on the pre-market and like red lines on the closes, and I didn't do nothing. Why is it doing that? And this is on ES. Usually this would look like this on stocks, but this is doing this on my ES and NQ. What did I do? Can somebody help me? Because I can't see it in the settings. Settings. What would that be under? Symbol? No. Status line? No. Canvas was my thought, but it's not there. It's not an indicator, I don't think.
What's up, buddy? Can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
What's up, dude? I'm trying to like how do I get it so I'm in the background? No, not that. No.
What are you trying to do? You are in the background.
I know, but like you can see my face. Like there's still a camera here, removed from stage. But then if I remove myself, here, wait, maybe if we go like this. Now it's just you. There you go. Now I'm just in the background. Now I'm just the voice of I'm like the Wizard of Oz. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't know what what this is. I think you're on electronic trading, so maybe this is showing pre and post market. That's what that looks like, but that's on ES, and I've never seen it on ES before.
I know. It's on my regular trading hours or electronic on the 15-minute as well.
Check your indicators. Something you have it as an indicator might have updated.
That's what I was thinking. Because like this is just, I literally have just view up auto anchored on this chart. That's it.
Interesting.
what we can do is get rid of it, close without saving. Thank you
Yeah,
very
see,
much.
mine's not
Open up.
doing that.
Yeah, I didn't press nothing. Come on. What the fuck is this? Edge full indicator. Nope.
No,
View up auto anchored. That's weird. I don't like it.
super weird.
And I don't like it. I don't like the blue background.
Only on MES.
No, on everything. NQ. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's fine.
So go to your settings of your membership, maybe, buddy. Like top left, go to Evan Dyer, top left, like the logo, and then
Yeah,
go to your
that.
billing. Yeah, check your billing. See if
Well,
something.
then they're gonna see my name and address. But
Okay, well then do it after or something.
it's all right. Whatever. Varun, what's up, my man? Always tuning in. Better see you on stream. Better see you in 50 minutes on AceFX TV. But we go over. I didn't do a DRC yesterday. Everybody's sure. Austin's gonna hate me. It's been quite some time.
I don't hate you.
I took the trade, which is good. I marked that up. I marked up the ideas. Just like I said, I played golf right after, and I was exhausted. Anyone have any guesses on what I shot yesterday on the golf course? No one knows
69.
if I'm good or not. I wish. That would be absolutely electric if I shot a 69. I would be going tour. I'd be tour bound. No, so I shot 75 through 16. I didn't play the last two. So let's just assume at best I par 'em, but let's just say I bogey the last two. Then that's 85. So that's about normal. But if I double bogey something, 86. But 85 is good. For the round it was. Felt good. Felt good throughout the round. My first round in freaking months. I haven't been to the range in months. I didn't go to a simulator in months. Those are my first swings in months since the fall. So I'll definitely take an 85 right out of the gate. But I was exhausted. Like I didn't play the last two because I was exhausted. I was losing my swing. My arms were gone. I was like, my swing isn't the same as it was on 2 through 9. Like I'm tired as hell. This isn't gonna go straight. So let's call it here, folks. And that's exactly what I did. But I think yesterday everyone was hammering the shorts. Oof, what a beauty. That one was the one I missed because literally that's like 4 minutes before I left the house. But overall, good day. Varun's always here. I have a giveaway to do on Tradeify. I just haven't announced it yet. Do we want to do that this week, or are there too many people doing it this week? I'm not actually familiar. So if there's a lot of people doing them this week, we could save them for like next week. Because I didn't do it last week because a lot of people were doing them. So I figured I'd wait. But if you want to do that, we can potentially do that Friday. I have to see. But I don't know. Would be good. And then I was looking at it on the straight to sim funded because I think a couple people had this problem on the advanced and growth. Is the advanced better for anyone that's taken them? I think the advanced might be better if you're not going to do the straight to funded. I always probably advocate for that just to save yourself time, get right into the funded. But let's just say growth and advanced. I mean, it's $69 a month, and hopefully you could pass in a month, or else that's what I'm saying. If you can't pass something in a month, then you should probably just go straight to sim funded because you don't want to waste 2 months trying to pass a challenge. So let's say at worst it takes you a month. Well, it's $69. Activation fee of $125. So I mean, we're up to $200 there. But on the growth, it's $139 per month. And $0. Oh, whoa. Hold on now. No activation fee. So it takes me the same month, but no activation fee. I'm paying $140. So I think the growth is better because there's no activation fee, and it's a little bit more for the month, but there's no activation fee. All right. And this is before you use code Evan. We'll get you 30% off all of these numbers. So like the 130, I don't even know what that would become, less than 100. So that's beautiful. All right, I think growth is better. Am I tripping? Reset fee of 45. All right, and that's for a 50K. Even the 150K for 129 a month. Let's do some quick math because I'm not very good at it. $38 off. Yeah, so if you use code Evan, it'd be $91. Times the activation, 125, you're still getting a 150K account for $200. That's actually real good. So then, yeah, the growth is a little bit more expensive up front. No activation fee, though. But regardless, definitely do your own research and see what you want. You know your time horizon better than I would have. Like, how long do you think it would take you to pass one, or how much you're willing to pay? And I think it has a consistency rule on the growth in advance of like 35. So it's actually a little bit easier to get a payout. That one big day can be 35% rather than 20. So we'll see. We'll see. Ibrahim, what's up? Summit, what's up? Growth is better. Yeah, I think I misspoke. I think that growth is better now that I did the math because there's no activation fee. So that's good. Interesting. And then you could pass it in one day, a minimum trading days to pass. So, I mean, if you want to just sling 100, what do we say, $99, let's say, because you'll get 30% off if you use my code. So $99, sling it in a day and you pass. There's no activation fee. You just got a 50K account for $100. That's not bad at all. If you could pass it in one day. If you need to reset it, it's 85 and then another 85. So definitely be aware of how realistic it is for you to pass in a day or two, whatever. But something to look into. And then the straight to funded, I think it's same thing, 30% off. I think it's actually 35% off. So 35% of 509, whatever you want to do there on the math of that. But then you're already funded. You're already on your way to payouts. Air Force growth is better. Okay, yeah. So I think the people are saying growth is better. Growth is better. It's better behind the straight to sim. But yes. No intraday drawdown either. Ooh, is there one? End of day. Is that advanced? Intraday. Okay. Intraday drawdown. Yeah. Growth is better. Let's go with the growth, people. Growth accounts are better, but straight to sim funded are better. This was the trade yesterday. Just screenshot it real quick. It's a beauty. I think, like I said, not exaggerating. I think everyone and their mother hopped on this short yesterday on stream, except for like 5 people, just because maybe they were up getting a coffee or taking a piss, because that's beautiful. Clear direction on the 15. Nice break of low day on the 1 to match it. Wait for the pullback. Catch the second leg of trend. And now looking back at it, I mean, like, you could even do it on the chart. If my chart's blue here, definitely have to get. It's what? It's only on electronic trading hours. What is with that? I guess we're staying on regular. There we go. But anyways, this is NQ. I'm not going to talk too much trade in here, but my short is here. My short at 10 a.m. And you look at the rest of the day. Oh man, pretty good sell price. I don't think it was never engaged with. My price here, this pullback would have never hit it. Nothing. Just straight 520 points lower. That's not bad for 5 hours. I was in it for 10 minutes and played golf for 5 hours. So you got to ask yourself, what's more important? Money or golf? My answer is still money, but it was nice to golf.
Hey, Ev.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to tell everybody 2 things. 1, check the tweet I put up this morning. 2, on ASFX TV today, we've got some crazy charts to talk about. But even crazier than the charts from Charlie, the weekend charts, even crazier than that is I'm taking a payout on the live stream.
No, you're not.
Payout opens at 9 a.m. in 10 minutes. I'm not going to take the payout. I'll take it once we start the ASFX TV stream. So if you're listening, Wizard of Oz is in the background here telling you to use the code Evan, sign up for ASFX TV, take 50% off your first month. Come join us on the live streams. There's a link in Evan's bio. There's a link in my bio. Anywhere you can find it. Go to www.asfx.tv. www.asfx.tv.
TV. Yep.
I'm working on my with auctioneer voice, so I come in here and do your ads for you. And now back to you, Evan.
Yeah. Very good. Nice. Yeah. So the payout, I knew that was hidden yesterday. It's like perfect timing because you got it right before the window.
Yep.
And then are you on the road right now?
No, does it sound bad?
No, this. I'm looking at your Twitter. 8:04.
Oh,
I
I
guess
was
that
on the
was
road this morning. I
50
tried
minutes
to do
ago.
something nice for my wife, and it failed
Up and
miserably.
up and at
Miserably.
'em early.
Bro, I mean, up and at 'em early. The kid's up, so yeah. But then I'm like, you know what? I got to take the car in today. Got to get an oil change and stuff. Let me go help my wife get the cardboard out of the car. Nope, didn't even make it halfway there. Sitting in traffic, and like maybe because I'm doing
Non-stop.
well, and I think I'm like the king of Puba or whatever. I'm prince of whatever from Aladdin. I don't know. I'm just like, my time is too valuable. I can't be sitting in this traffic not moving. I know all these other people are going to a 9 to 5. They're clocking in, clocking out. I got money to be made here, and you got me sitting. I need to be in the back of a Maybach. I need a driver, DJ Khaled style. You know, I can't be
Yeah.
sitting in. So I bailed, and I told Riley, I'm like, I don't know what to tell you. Just figure it out.
Just throw it out the window.
And
Figure
you
it
know
out.
what? I tried, bro. I tried. But yeah, no, not that tweet. Go down a little bit. My tweet about the bullish rallies. Yeah. I've got some good
Yeah.
favorites in there, but the bullish rally is what I want everyone to just be aware of today.
Oh, who's that guy? Yeah. And then the biggest bullish days come in a bear market, right? I think you sent something by Pax this morning.
Yeah, check Pax's Twitter, and then if you chat GBT that question of like, when do we have the biggest bullish days, and you look at it, you can, or even if you ask it like during a bear market or during a correction, you'll see the stat. It's like almost all the time, almost all the biggest days ever have come during corrections or bear markets. You have huge bullish rallies. So like last night, NASDAQ was down 400 more points and it's rallied. Tesla's now up a little bit pre-market and it was down another 5%. So yesterday at one point, some of the stocks were down like 20% plus after
Yeah.
hours too. So it was rough. So Pax was tweeting saying like maybe today, you know, we bounce because he felt like yesterday's capitulation, like just, you know, awful. I was just looking at the daily charts on some of the stocks. I'll show it when we go on ASFX TV later, but like, dude, I'm buying everything right now. Because when you look at it, if we are anywhere near a bottom and we go towards those highs again in a few months, you're going to be like, damn it, Tesla was 50% off. So
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's been what, like 12? I'll check the daily here. It's been quite a rundown. How many days? And there's some bullish days squeezed in between there, but overall, the last 2 weeks of our lives, the 20th to the 10th, I mean, that's 3 weeks. Just down. 4 black days squeezed in there. So, is it due? Who knows? But I mean, it's definitely, while I'm here, it's definitely electronic trading hours only that's fucking up my chart. So, I have to clean that up. More settings. I mean, this is orange. Is that it? Turn these off. That didn't do anything. Does anyone else have electronic trading hours on and it looks retarded? Why is there red and blue? Fucking hell. I don't have anything red or blue in my settings. This is bad. Guess we're sticking on the regular trading hours. But yeah, I mean, bear with the colors now. But this is the 15-minute chart. I'm just straight down. Could we still build a lower high and come down today? I mean, you bet your ass. We could easily make the next lower low. But yeah, like Austin said, slight move up overnight. But it's also interesting. We did take out of yesterday's low. Pre-market overnight, set in the bottom, and then ever since then, just been buyers. And now we're heading back towards this daily view up with 30 minutes until the open. So I definitely want to see us hold above this. If we're going to hold long, if we head back towards these lows and yet the low of day, that's not very bullish. That's not very good. Because, I mean, we're not going to be an outside bar day to the upside today, if I had to guess. Just because it's so far away, it would have to erase the entire, what is it? I said the biggest down move since 2022. So we're going to have the biggest up move the very next day and retrace it all. I don't know how likely that is. But, so like to get that pure long bias, take out of yesterday's high, continue higher. Probably not going to get that today. That would just be ideal. But you could still find longs today potentially if they're going to set up nicely. I had a yesterday's New York view up on. I believe we just rejected that, so that's going to look even worse. Right off it. So we just rejected yesterday's, and we're at the overnight. So we're being pinched right now. So we shall see. Varun said it looks normal in his trading views, so they're just fucking with me, huh? Okay. That's good. Can I make a new chart? Create a new... I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I'm not doing that. Just break the computer, smash it on the ground, pick it back up, and it should fix it. In my history, that's always been the solution. But yeah, like I said yesterday. Also, one more thing yesterday for anyone that hasn't checked out Edgeful. This was like, in case you needed some more help with the bearish bias yesterday, that break of the initial balance low pretty early on kind of confirmed the shorts the rest of the day in terms of probably don't go double break to the upside. So break the red line on top too. That would be a double break. And on this particular day, when I measured it, I think it was like 1.2% initial balance. It was huge. That we've actually had quite a bit of them. About 4 out of the last 44 have broken two sides. The other 40 have just broken one side and ran that one side. So am I going to guess that it's a 9% chance that we go break for a new high day yesterday? No. So I'm going to keep on looking for shorts. So once you see it respect this New York VWAP, hopefully you are not longing that. Same buyers are in. Let's go get the top. I don't know why you would, but hopefully you don't. And then you're easily able to get back in short or look for the shorts saying, hey, yeah, there's only a 9% chance we go up here today. I'm fading that. I'm going away from that all day. And you find nice shorts. 9%. And I was surprised because it was like 44 sets of data. Normally, like these large ranges, they just don't happen often. So like you're talking like 1 for 5, which is like, yeah, low probability, but not a huge sample size. But 44 times and only 4 of them, I was like, okay, yeah, I'll believe that. And did anyone see this golf shot? We can put this on mute. You don't need to see it, but this was...
I wish that was every day.
Look where I was. Right in the bunker. But it looks like concrete because it's the first... Like, it's the first day of playing in November, October. So the conditions were not beautiful. I mean, you can see... Look how low... Look how green the grass is, huh? It looks beautiful. Nick Stewart replied to me, and he was playing as well. I was like, why does yours look so much more green than mine? I'm playing off like brown grass. What's happening here? But look how it's a perfect lie. I was like, I don't mind this because there's no lip in front of me. There's this lip, but it dies down to the right. So I had a clear shot at it, and it came out as if I was on the fairway because it wasn't really that sandy. And then these guys taking forever. No etiquette. They like to take forever on the green. That's fine. So then I get to just sit there and plot my shot. Go back. Let's see what happened. Beautiful. Oh my God. Is that the ball? And is that the pin? Oh my God. Out of the bunker. Out of the fairway bunker, no less. God. That's a shot right there. That's a beautiful shot. I said, who wants to smoke? Because who does? I feel like not many of you golf. Which is fine. But once you start golfing, you're not going to stop. I promise you'll like it. But yeah, that was I was playing with a older Asian guy. Super nice. Didn't speak a lot of English, but he was a nice guy. And so, ooh, nice shot. And I would say right back to him because he had some nice shots. And his putter was just beautifully paced. But it was nice playing with some randoms. There was a group of 2 that knew each other. They were riding in a cart. I was riding by myself. And the Asian guy was walking by himself. But we were chatting it up. Networking with these random folks playing golf at 12 o'clock on a Monday. What are you doing here? What do you do? How are you here? Why aren't you at work? You know, you always got to ask that question of like, what are you doing here? Because I know what I do that allows me to be here, but what do you do that you could be here on a Monday? But it is more fun with your friends. For sure. But unfortunately, they're all working 9 to 5. Unfortunately for them, not for me. I mean, I'd like them to not be, but oh well. How's the BSC doing this morning? If anyone that's tuned in late, we're just waiting for Ace Fex TV stream about 30 minutes. Like I said, we'll hop over there in about 30 minutes. trade live through the open, let the open range set. We'll find some trades together, me and Austin. Zach will come on a little bit later. So if you're not a member, you can start a free trial and use code Evan for 50% off your first month if you want to tune into the pretty much the rest of this week's streams. You could check out today's, tomorrow, and Thursdays on the free trial and then sign up for 50% off. So definitely worth it. You can come to the streams as well as study the courses while you're here. And if you miss it or you miss part of the streams, you can go back and watch the replays. So Austin's going to take his payout on there today, live with Tradeify. And we're going to go, like I said, find some trades, go over some tweets from packs and everything like that. But pre-market, James had a trade. Okay, it's a DAX. Yep. I mean, no one's really trading this morning. Too early. Or is any of you trading this morning? You never know. But I'm excited. Had a nice winner yesterday. I always think about it. We can go to my trade Zeller real quick. I haven't quite made back, I guess, the tilt day, but I'm back green on the month, so that's all that matters. But what was I gonna say? I looked at the chat for 1 second and I lost my thought. Thanks a lot. What was I gonna say? We'll never know. Oh well. It'll come to me. I really don't know. Maybe I was going nowhere with it. That's all right. Get rid of these markups. And then, speaking of like the actual stats I showed earlier, what I'll do here pre-market, we still have 30 minutes until it's set, but just throwing the midnight price so I get a gauge of where it is. So our midnight open price is right there. We're right at it. So it's not going to be too useful right now, but we'll see. Julio had a nice winner overnight. Beautiful. Varun, I do not trade until market open. And in most cases, I wait for the 15-minute open range to be set. Sounds like a smart man. Like a smart man. Nice. Yep. I'm pretty much the same boat. Austin's the one that will trade pre-market sometimes if he has like a news bias or what have you. So let's try this. Let me try to remove this. Share the window. So it's the same chart. Whoa. Can we hear that? I don't know. What is happening? Anyways, anybody got any questions about yesterday or today? Where we're heading, what we're doing, where to go, where to be, what's coming out. I got a new YouTube video hopefully coming out today. It should come out ideally today. But you don't know. I also have a good lineup of videos that I already made. All right, so we'll keep doing the daily recaps as always, and you guys can see those on my Twitter, as well as I eventually post them on YouTube. But I have like 3 video topics already in my mind that I wanted to talk about, so those are coming as well. A little bit about entry, one's about prop firms, and then the other one, I guess, is a daily recap. Yeah, but good videos coming out as always. So make sure you always check out the YouTube channel. It's Evan Dyer. Daily uploads at 11 a.m. Eastern. So normally that's when we're wrapping up streams. So we took our trades here, wrapping up the stream. Let's go watch a YouTube video. Quick 10 minutes. So you guys better be on stream. I mean, there's 400 of you. You can start a free trial. There's literally, you don't have to like fear like, oh man, I'm going to get charged after the trial. No, it's a free trial. And if you use code Evan, you'll get 50% off the first month anyways. And just take one trade with us. You'll want to stay. Loving the YouTube. Appreciate it, Varun. Appreciate it. Well, we're not going to stop. They're going to keep coming. So make sure you got the notifications on. It's always at 11, but just in case I drop one at noon or something. And then, like I said, I'm not going to give guarantees, but looking at Futures 2.0 here, for anyone that doesn't know the course that I built on AceFX TV, which you get with the membership, I'm thinking I do an update to it. Small one, baby update. Maybe like add like 30 minutes to it. It's not a whole new course. Just add like a chapter or two on the 15-minute, the higher time frame. I spoke about reading the higher time frame, but for 5 minutes, which is all that you needed. but we're using a little bit more heavily now. So could I go a little bit more in depth of the VWAPs that I use, structure that I use, how far back do I zoom out? How do I read it on a day-to-day basis to help me get into trades that maybe don't look like the VWAP bounce or the VWAP break, right? Like using the 15-minute almost on its own, not with the VWAP. So there's definitely a whole lot more I could speak about on the 15-minute, reading the higher time frame. So thinking we do an update on that in Q2. No guarantee on time frame of that, but probably not till next month. What I think about starting it or building it. We just got a lot going on this month. So we'll see. I know many of you would want that, so it's just a matter of when would I do it. Again, it wouldn't be super, super long. Just no fluff. Just 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Who knows? 2 chapters. But yeah, and then for anyone that hasn't traded futures, Austin's course, Futures 101, right here. You don't even need to sign up for HFX TV to access this course. So if you're really that brand new on Twitter or YouTube watching right now and you've never traded futures, this one's absolutely, absolutely free. You don't even need to sign up. You don't need to do nothing. You can just go watch it. And if you go to Trustpilot, ASFX, you'll see reviews on this, even though I don't think you need to necessarily read a review on something that's free. Maybe you do. Who knows? Ooh, 4 tickets left, Austin, to May, the event, the boot camp in Tampa.
4
at the end of
tickets
April.
left. 4 tickets left.
Damn.
Yep.
And we're giving away a hotel room for 2 nights.
Yep.
If
That's
we're one of the
probably
last.
why. That's probably why they're moving.
Yeah, they know they could be like neighbors with me. You know, we get room service and stuff.
Maybe if I said that, I would have sold more faster. If I would have said
Yeah.
the room is connected
Or
to
no
and
one
the door is
would've-
unlocked.
Or would have repelled people from buying.
I feel like those jokes are a little touchy nowadays with Diddy, you know? Got to be careful. Next thing you know, Evan's on a security camera beating up somebody in the hotel hallway like Diddy, you know what I'm saying?
No, never, never.
No.
Not if I knew they were at the event. I would never.
No, of course. Of course. Yeah, try not to come into today's session with too much of a bias. Like Evan said, everybody will be live in a few minutes on ASFX TV, trying to do these pre-market streams just to kind of get a lay for the land. One thing we do a little bit different on ASFX TV that Evan hasn't showed you is Edgeful. We do a lot with Edgeful on stream. So I'm sure he's got us locked and loaded here. We're not going to go into it right now on X and on YouTube, but we're going to go into this today on stream. Another big thing we're going to try to do actually is I had this idea, maybe live streaming. Like I'm going to stream it today, Ev. I'm going to show you my idea. I'm going to go live behind me and let people just see me. But I need to figure out how do I get them to convert to then coming on ASFX TV. You know what I'm saying? That I don't have a solution to because my brain was like, okay, well then you need to do like a whole separate computer, a whole separate StreamYard thing. You know what I'm saying? Directed to a different thing. I don't know. I got to solve.
I mean, like they click it there and they get sent to ASFX TV.
Yeah, like that's what I want to have it do. You know what I mean? Like, oh, they see me live, but they want to see my screen. Cool, click, and then you know what I'm saying. But today should be the day everybody comes just because they want to see me take the payout.
Yeah, and we're gonna take more trades.
Yep.
But there's got to be a way. We just got to do more research on it, or if anyone else has experience with that.
We're not streamers. We're traders first.
Yeah. Did you see? If anyone in the chat, I was just mind blown. All these trades happening in the NFL and all these signings. What happened now? In the last 51 minutes, Giants signed safety. Okay, from the Dolphins. This guy from the Vikings. 3 years, $60 million. $60 million.
You must be good.
I'm in the wrong business.
Dude, the big news is what's his face?
DK
Sam Darnold.
Metcalf, Justin Fields.
Sam Darnold.
Nah, fuck that. It'll be terrible there.
You really think so?
Everyone's moving around. You got Sam Darnold. So now where's Rodgers going to go? Where's Russell Wilson going to go?
Bro.
You got Justin Fields going to the Jets. That's actually crazy.
Russell Wilson could go to the Jets. You guys need it.
The Jets got Justin Fields.
Yeah. Again, you guys need it.
What are you saying right now?
What are you saying? You saying Justin Fields is a good quarterback?
He went to the Jets yesterday.
Yeah, and you're saying he's a good quarterback.
I'm saying, where's Russell Wilson going now?
Right. I understand what you're saying, but I'm just saying you probably need another quarterback. Running quarterbacks don't last. They get decked and they
That is
die.
just incorrect. They don't get
No,
hit.
it's not incorrect. Google
Who
it.
is not? What running quarterback is now not good or in the league because they got hit?
Jalen Hurts is not as good as he used to be since he got hit.
What?
Dude,
He was never a runner. He gets pushed on the 1 yard line.
no, go back to 2022,
And what does this
2023.
say?
Jalen Hurts was breaking ankles, bro, until he got hurt.
Until he got
Running
fat.
quarterback. No, stop. This is
Yeah.
just hate. This is just Eagles hate. So listen to this. We have a new guy signing up for the Black Shirt Club. That guy John from Stream. John gets on the call with me yesterday. He's in Dallas or in Texas in San Antonio, and he's wearing a fucking Jets hat. So we start arguing right away. Instantly, we're arguing. Then he tells me his son, who's like 12, is a Eagles fan, and I'm like, "See, I like your son better than I like you."
Can't have that. It's interesting he would let his son do that.
Yeah, no, he did.
I guess maybe the Jets don't hate the Eagles as much as the Giants do.
Dude,
But
that
this guy
guy
from the Bills that wears no shoes, I didn't know they were.
Yeah,
rid
they
of
got him. The guy in the middle there, what's his name?
Devontae Adams is gone.
Dude, he's like I feel like the teams just pass him around like the token black guy now. Am I
Yeah, I
wrong?
mean he's old.
He like
They got
pass
they're
this guy
releasing.
around.
They're gonna release Cooper Kupp, which
That's
is
crazy. That's crazy for him. That's crazy.
And they signed Darius Slayton 3 years 36, and they offered Saquon 3 years 33 million, which they wouldn't pay him that.
That's
but
stupid.
they paid Darius Slayton that. It's like
That's
okay.
Stupid. That's stupid.
But yeah, the center, Zach Wilson, the Jet, going back to Miami.
Yeah, he's loving that, dude. He's gonna be a Miami boy. He's gonna be dating a Latina.
And he's gonna be a backup for Tua unless Tua dies again because he gets hit.
Oh, Tua! I bet you Tua doesn't make it the whole season.
Yeah.
No, unfortunately.
Forget his name.
To say. Yeah,
Myles Garrett went back to Cleveland just for the money. Can't blame him. 130, I think. 120 guaranteed. I'm glad the Ravens got rid of Brandon Stevens. He is our worst DB that we had. So I'm glad with that. And he's going to the Jets. Classic. But Najee Harris and the Steelers leaving. It's crazy how many people move around. DK Metcalf now to the Steelers. It's like none of this makes sense. You guys lost. The Eagles lost some guys. You guys lost this guy, obviously, but there was some other one. So it's so crazy. Like you win a Super Bowl and you're just like, all right, I'm gonna go to Arizona Cardinals, who are trash. But money talks. If you give me 4 years, $76 million, I'll go to Arizona. I'll melt in the heat for you.
Yeah, Josh Sweat, Will Sweat.
Yeah, there's Saquon. I guess he signed him again to something.
Yeah, 2 years, 50. I think it is 2 years and 50.
Yeah, that's got to be the biggest.
Let me see.
But for anyone that doesn't know, because Austin probably is unfamiliar, with all respect,
2 years, 41 million.
The NFL season, the new season, like starts yesterday. So that's why all this is happening. That like these teams couldn't talk to each other or do these offers or signings before noon yesterday.
That's bullshit.
Why?
Because there's no way they weren't talking and then these deals just happened yesterday. You know what I'm saying? They were definitely talking.
No.
No? You don't think they're at the
illegal.
country club in the steam room hanging out, having a little chit chat?
No, it's illegal.
Illegal. What's going to happen? You pay a fine?
Who knows?
So you're saying all this happened yesterday. Everybody was working yesterday. First day of the NFL season. They're all in there making deals. All right.
Like they could talk to the team, but they can't talk to like the person.
Got it.
Like,
That
okay,
makes
you guys are releasing, like you're not re-signing Zach Wilson or you're not re-signing this person. Okay, so we could potentially go after him. Okay, cool. Or how much was he asking for? Okay, we don't really want to go that high. We're not even going to talk to him once we can. Things get put in motion, and then it all happens yesterday. It'll still happen today. Imagine going the Jets to the Lions. From the worst team to the best team. I mean, that's pretty good. Instant just changing of teams to good to bad. Damn. But I mean, half these people I don't know. Jimmy G getting re-signed. Congrats. Good for you. I don't care. Braxton Berrios. Irrelevant. But it's crazy how many. You guys are bringing back Chris Godwin. Yep. What about Mike Evans? Where's he going? What is he doing? Is he staying?
I don't know.
Is he old? Is he retired?
He's old.
I mean, he put up another 1,000, so
he put up 1,000. Yeah, he still got it.
I mean, this guy's still going. Khalil Mack.
Yeah, respect.
This guy, I've never heard of him. The cornerback for the Panthers clearly can't be that fucking good. 4-year, $100 million extension, making the highest paid defensive back in NFL history.
What?
Who is he and why is he? What? Like Sauce
Who's his
lawyer?
Dude,
so many.
Who's his lawyer? Right, negotiating that deal. That's the question. Not who is he.
People.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. His lawyer's the better one. His
Agent,
lawyer's
yeah,
gonna be
it's
on
all
TV.
it's all agents because they were even
All
saying
agents.
Saquon's agent,
Yeah.
but who? Oh, Josh Allen's agent, 330 million with 250 million guaranteed. That's an agent right there. What do they make? 10%, 5%? What does an agent make? At least 5.
At least 6, 7%. Yeah.
So, what's 6% of 250?
Well, 10% would be 25. So probably
Nice
like
little,
16 or 15 million.
nice little payday. Just for this one person, I'm sure they have
Did you
multiple
ever see the
clients.
movie Jerry Maguire? You ever seen that movie?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. I remember when my dad made me watch that movie. Show me the money.
I
I
mean,
think that was
that's what it is. It's like, wow, why would they leave the Lions to go the Panthers? You're on a good team. They don't give a fuck. You're gonna
I
give
don't
me
give a
80
fuck.
million. They were gonna give me 60. I'm coming to Carolina or whatever it has to be. It's a business. Chase Young, 3 years, 51 million. I don't know
Did you
about
know
that.
Trump said yesterday he's going to buy a Tesla to support Elon?
I'll never
Grant
drive it.
Cardone did the same thing. So stock's down. So everyone's like, you know what? Let's go out and buy one.
Or
I
just
don't know,
buy a
bro.
lot of stock.
I'm not saying the bottom's in. I'm definitely going to sell it today if we get a short on stream. But like, if
Yeah.
we bounce soon here, I wouldn't be surprised. We're close to 10% off the highs. That's about where it usually slows down. Well, on stream today, everybody, in 10 minutes, we're going to go live on ASFX TV. There's a link and a discount code at the bottom of the screen. I've got a lot of stories to talk about. There's a lot of speculation that Trump is intentionally crashing the market. I don't know if it's possible,
Bring
but
the rates
there's
down.
a lot of speculation about that. So we need to talk about that.
It could be possible. He's not pressing a button to make it happen.
He's not pressing the button,
He's
but
just
he's pulling the
putting.
levers.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a long-term play.
It's a long-term play. Like, think about it. Okay, simple thing, right? Simple optics, because Trump cares about optics. He's bringing back The Apprentice, just so you know, it's coming back. But the optics of it is, do we want the market to crash when I'm done at the end of 4 years when we need another election? Or would we rather take the pain now, recover, and end on a high note? Not that it's controllable like that, but like you'd think that's the better angle. Like, let's just take it now, cut everything, fire everybody, rip the Band-Aid off, get it done, and then we go forward.
Yeah, and he's still not going for obviously a re-election, so it's still like he would just want it to go out on a high note for his own legacy.
Yep.
But yeah, we're sitting right at the overnight VWAP. We got 15 minutes until the open. I'll be hopping on stream in about 5 to 10 minutes. Austin's gonna fire it up, and I'll join him on there. But
you want to check?
I can see it going either way. So
Brian Shannon put up on Twitter a couple of key VWAPs. Daily VWAP, week to date VWAP was overnight support. VWAP from all time high and month to date. We're underneath that, and then he's got a VWAP on the low. Yeah, it's right there.
This is on a 5-minute chart. So he uses the daily VWAP.
Yep,
he did that because of me, huh?
He calls it the daily. Yep, not the overnight.
So why are you being weird?
It's my job.
Week to date. So I mean, that's just was that yesterday's open, yesterday's low?
Yes, it's I just put it on. It's yesterday's open.
Yeah, it's the yesterday's New York. So he's calling it week to date.
No. Week to date is Sunday 6 p.m. Market open. Market open.
Because yesterday's New York open lines up perfectly with that, pretty much. But okay, then 5 minutes.
It's a little lower. I have yesterday's New York at fucking 40, and I have yesterday's open at 50. I have a 10-point difference between those two.
I mean, look at that all-time high one.
Yeah,
it's never really attempted to get above it except for one day.
Anchored on the 20th of last month. Is that where that's at? Yeah.
That'd be January or February.
19th. It's February 19th is where he has it because my indicator has it marked there as well.
And we made a new all-time high.
Yeah, I think so because he's looking at the
continuous contract.
Well, he's looking at ESF.
Yeah. All right. But yeah. So what is he saying here though? After overnight range, which could be capped at week to date, trying to hold the daily view up from yesterday's low. The primary trend remains lower.
Down.
Okay. Yeah, I mean,
I don't think he'd be a buyer until we were above 56.60 today. You'd have to get.
You're just being pinched of like we're sandwiched between these two. So even if it bounces off the daily, it could go right up to the black one and bounce right back down.
The
so
overnight
long above 70, but you got a long way to go until yesterday's high.
Everybody, we've got 5 minutes till we're going live on ASFX TV. Make sure you click the link below, asfx.tv. Go there, right there. Evan's got it pulled up for us. Make sure you get your free trial and make sure you use the discount code Evan when you sign up for the free trial, so that way you can tune in with us. What I was going to say is these stocks that were rallying a little bit this morning off of a bottom potentially are now not. So we will monitor that closely today for sure.
It's like one of the hardest parts of us to not call the bottom here because I could want to do it so badly. But if today sets in bullish, and let's say even tomorrow sets in another bullish day after, then we can start to see some higher highs and higher lows and breaks above like these VWAPs here. But as far as anyone's concerned, we're still making these clear lower highs until we're not. So you just have to still remain more so bearish with the opportunity that you could get longs and you'd be ready to act on the longs. But I cannot be saying, oh, the bottom is in. We're definitely looking for longs. I can't say definitely any day, but definitely still not now.
Definitely, maybe.
Definitely, maybe now, probably. I would. But
weekly candles on Bitcoin looking real bad. Real
I'd
bad.
imagine.
Yeah.
I'd imagine.
Looking through.
80K. Nice little bounce. Yeah. But NQ and ES looking the same. A little bit of pinch there. A little bit of pinch there. Whoa, my electronic trading hours. And the colors are gone.
It fixed. It
What the
fixed.
fuck is that?
What's
All
going
right.
on? Cool.
I don't know. That was really pissing me off.
Oh, so update for you. Let's wrap up here.
Save it for stream.
Save it for stream. All right, I'll save it for stream.
Unless it's important.
No, it's not important. I never have anything important.
Yeah, that's true. All right. So hopefully I'll see you guys on ASPX TV. Like I said, it'll be me and Austin. We'll look for trades in 20 minutes or so because we're going to let the open range set. So grab a coffee, go to the bathroom, see you guys on stream. Then Zach's going to come on at 11 or so. So continuous stream if you're joining late or whatever. There'll be streams going until about noon. So make sure you're signed up on the free trial and use code Evan. We'll see you the rest of the week as well. I won't be live here tomorrow. I'll be live here again pre-market on Thursday. I don't want to say I'll be live tomorrow, but I might be. But just in case, I'm going to say I'm not. But if I am, I am. But don't count on it because I got a podcast in the morning. So keep you guys tuned on that one. But yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's have a great day. Let's finish this week strong. There's news at 10 a.m. So in 40 minutes, last reminder, we got Jolt's job openings at 10 o'clock. So 30 minutes after the open. So we'll see what we can find. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let's have a great day. And let me know if you need me. Ask me any questions you want on stream. There's a chat there. And I don't miss them. I don't miss the questions. All right. So I'll see you guys there.